Presenting a pre-owned 2022 Land Rover. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with all-wheel drive and a 9-speed shiftable O transmission. This Land Rover is a great value with less than 48,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, navigation system, wireless data link, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and heated front seats.